In this tutorial, I will be finishing off the PCB for the egg timer and also showing you how to test that it actually works. Okay, so if you finished the first video, you've got to this point here. Just having a quick look, you'll see this LED here. There's a wire that's meant to go here or round to ground. So if you follow that green track, it goes up here, round to there. Now, obviously, I can't get it to go across those wires, so the easiest thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a resistor in here, and this is what we call a jump wire. So I'm going to go to passive components, find resistors. Now, the resistors have got different sizes. The standard one we use is 10.2, so I'm just going to grab that. And actually, or do I want a smaller one? Yeah, that's a bit neater there. Okay, so I'm just going to plonk that in there, and then I'm going to drag a track from there to there. And I just need to change the value of this to 0. I have to keep the K in, but just change it to 0. Alright, I can get rid of that R5. Alright, and this is a jump wire that hopefully she'll connect this and complete that circuit, or that PCB. Now, to see if it works, I need to actually plug it in. So let's test it together. Hopefully it'll work. So I go to, now these are all on-board components. I keep scrolling down, the green turns to red. These are the off-board components. So I want a power supply. Now I know it says 6 volts there, but we're going to chuck 9 volts in. So all the way down to the bottom, second last one. And I'm just going to bring that in there. Try that again. I'm not sure it's liking it going off the board. Let's try that again. Okay. Okay, let's try again. Sorry, I seem to have got a little bit stuck there. Okay, sorry, I had a problem there. I couldn't find the battery. I've obviously had to go to the normal up here, the normal view, and you can actually see it. Okay, so let's wire that up. Positive goes to there, this goes to there, and I'm going to push the play button. Always get a warning, don't worry about it, just say okay. Alright, interesting. So the beep's gone straight off. Let's see what the actual temperature's on there. So it's on, I reckon it's on 50%. Okay, interesting. Let's have a little look. So I know the LEDs are wired up. I know the sound's working, so that's quite positive. What I will do is I'm going to use the probe tool, which is up here. Okay, and I'm going to go over the pins. So I don't want it on power because I know that's got power. What I'm looking for is the discharge pin. Ground trigger output. Reset control. Discharge. Let's try it on there. So I've pushed play. Okay. What I'm looking for, here you go, you can see it. Well, hopefully you can. Can you see this line here is slowly going up the way? Okay. Now the idea is when that gets to 2/3 of the supply, so in our case we've got 9 volts, so when that gets to 6 volts that shall go off. What I will do is I'm just going to see if I can pause it. Okay, I'm going to go push play again, and I'm going to go to the potentiometer and I'm going to bring that right down the way, and hopefully we should see that goes up much quicker. So I might have to stop it and push play again. Okay. Is that going up, or have I turned it the wrong way? Oh no, it's going very slowly now, isn't it? Okay, let's try turn it the other way. So push play again. And let's bring it all the way around to here. Okay, let's go there. I'll push stop and start again. Okay, and is that going up a bit quicker? Let's see if we hover over it, it should actually, does it tell us a value? Trying to see if it does. We're certainly up to kind of 1 volt, aren't we, at the moment? What I might do is I might just pause the video for 30 seconds or a minute or two so you're not sitting watching the graph going up. Okay. Oh, unfortunately, when I pause the video, it pauses the actual playback. So, anyway, I think I'm going to leave it there and say that's a successful test. Okay, we can see that there's power flowing to there. There's different views here as well. If I was actually going to cut this out and make it into a board, I would go to the artwork. Logic level is quite good, and current flow can actually, these two here will actually show you where the power is. And you should be able to see that these, where here, sorry, try again. Above the 5 volts is in red, below sort of 1 volt, so this is ground, is in green, and anything else kind of in between is brown. So it's showing you that these ones here are over time, and as you can see, that's going up and up and up and up. Okay, so where are we up to now? We're up to about 3 volts, so we've still got quite a while to go. It's been running for, what's that, 85 seconds. I wonder if I can I speed up time? No, I don't think I can. No, I can make it more, increase the increments between them, but I can't actually sort of simulate speeding up time. That is a kind of constant there. But you'll see that hopefully just by looking at that, that is getting redder and redder and redder as the volts are going up the way. And when it gets to that next line, it should actually go off properly. Okay, hopefully that's been useful.